How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital graphic design bundles on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling on Etsy. Then we will move on to show you to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you to find out if this product is really a winning product or not. And also this spying tool is going to help you in the future when it comes to finding other winning products, and also when it comes to spying on shops that are or on the shops that are your competitors, to see the products that are working for them and the products that are not working for them. Then in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products without starting them from scratch, and also without paying anyone to create them for you. So let's get started by typing the name of the product we will be searching for. So here, let's wait for it to see some examples of this product. So here, let's give it a few seconds to load. And here in the first line, you will see that these products that are shown right now are sponsored by the sellers. As you can see, add by Etsy seller, but we are looking for the ones that are popular now. So let's wait for it to complete loading to see the ones that are popular in the meantime. So here it's still not completed loading, even though it looks like it completed loading. So let's just give it a few seconds. It will load up right now, so let's just wait for it. Still the ones that are sponsored by the Etsy sellers. So here, click on wait, and here it is. We have the ones that are popular right now. All-in-one graphic design bundle, fonts, latest streetwear bundle, 1 mega bundle, special t-shirt, graphic, I think it's 1 million plus. And here we have 2 million plus mega pack for $1.1. So here, if we scroll down, we need to see the ones that are popular, or the ones like this one here, for example. It's popular now. It's a digital product, 15 million plus, sell and earn passive income. Well, let's choose one of these four. Let's choose, but all of these ones are not very popular. Let's choose this one here, for example, bundle volume 3 watercolor clip art bundle. Let's choose this one, for example, here. And here, guys, I'm going to talk about the differences between digital products and physical products, and why it is lucrative to work on digital products more than the physical ones. So guys, in physical products, you will have to deal with a lot of problems, starting with shipping, delivering, running out of stock, getting the product from somewhere, and always you will have to deal with returns and refunds, as you know. But here in digital products, you won't have to deal with all of that. In digital products, you will just create your product, upload it to your shop, and then whenever someone buys it, you will get the money immediately, and there are no returns, no refunds in digital products, because you didn't deliver something physical to get it returned to you. And also you can't know if the client removed the file from their laptop or not to give them a refund. So that is the difference, guys, and that's why I like the digital products more than the other ones. So here, let's take you to the spying tool, which is Everbee. So here, let's type the name of the spying tool, Everbee, best-selling items on Etsy. As I said, guys, you will be able to see all of the winning products on Etsy using this tool. Let's sign up for free. Give it a few seconds to load. Here it's still loading, and let's choose the shop analyzer. That's the spying tool we are going to use in today's video. So let's just wait for it to load here. Let's go to the shop analyzer. And here, let's wait for it to load again, and let's get the name of this shop in order to use it when we are spying on the shop. Copy, and let's take it to this search in here. Type the name, click on search shop, and give it a few seconds to get the data and the insights that we would need to know if this is really a winning product or not, and also to see a lot of data about this shop, and also we will be able to see the products that are making them the most amount of money. So here, these are the products, these are their products. They have 628 products listed on the shop, and they have created this shop in 68 months ago, 68 months, and this is their total shop sales, 32,921 sales over 68 months. So that's an average number of sales to make in 68 months. It's not a big deal, but it's still better than nothing. So here, let's start looking for bundle volume 3. That's the product we want to find in here. It's only just the watercolor, so we need to find bundle volume 3. Greenery, safari, greenery, watercolor. So they are focusing on watercolor, beautiful, or this watercolor product. That's what they are focusing on. But here we need to find the bundle or agency. It seems like that product is way down, which means it's not the winning of a product, because the winning products you will find them in the start, like this one here, kids room wall art prints. It was listed 6 months ago. Let's see the data and insights of this product. For example, kids room wall art prints, 70 nursery wall prints, costs $28, listed 6 months ago, and these are the total of the reviews that this product got. And based on the reviews, we'll be able to guess the amount, the revenue of this product, or the total sales, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review, which means they've got approximately 40 or approximately 38 sales from this product, and it's around 6 sales per month, which means it's a good product. If you are selling 6, if you are making 28 times 6 every month, that's a lot of money to make with only a digital product. So I'm going to show you how you can create product like that using canva.com. So here, let's open canva.com, and let's wait for it to load. Then we will just type the name of the product that we want to create. So here, let's type digital graphic design bundle, and you'll be able to have a lot of templates that you can use in order to create your own custom product. Then you'll just take it and list it on your Etsy shop, and you'll be able to make a lot of money with it. So here, let's wait for the templates to load. Here, let's remove this announcement, and here you will see a lot of examples of products like the one we saw before, and you can just take the template that you like, make some changes to it, and you'll have your own product ready to be sold. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.